Alright, let's get started by learning how to create a new track. First, open the Actions menu by clicking here. In this menu, you can add various elements to your track. Next, go ahead and click here to add a track. You'll need to provide a description for your track as well as a help description. Now click here to create the track. Great job! Now it's time to learn how to update a track. Click here to view the track. To update your track details, click here. Want to change the track name? Click here. Once you're satisfied with the updates, click here to save your changes. Let's move on to filtering tracks. Begin by clicking here to see all available tracks. From here, you can select the specific tracks you want to focus on. If there are tracks you don't want to see, simply click here to deselect them. Need to reselect some tracks? Click here. Here's another way you can do this. Once again, if you wish to deselect certain tracks, click here. This serves as another example. Now, let's proceed to learn how to delete a track. To delete a track, start by clicking here to view it. When you're ready to remove it, click here to delete the track.